Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Triple H RV right here in Haleyville, Alabama. Now we got a good one. Wow, I've never seen one with a sun deck. But today we're going to be looking at a 2025 Forest River Sabre, model number 33RLP. So let's get started. The length on this Sabre is 39 feet 11 inches. The dry weight is 11,858 with a hitch weight of 2,280 with a GVWR of 14,600.
Yes, guys, we are so excited to bring this one to you. We think you are absolutely going to love this floor plan. Let me get back here so you can see what the front cap is going to look like. And we'll start at the front. But hey, if you guys have ever were concerned about the safety of your camper and you needed a trailer hitch lock, hang around to the end of our video. We would love to share a great product from Proven Industries with you. All right, now right up here in the front is where your spare is going to be, and of course your batteries will mount down in there. Moving on around, I do like that they give you a docking light out here where it's easy to get to. Coming on down the side, you're going to have a propane tank here. This is a 20-pound. It looks like a 30 should fit pretty easily. Next is going to be our storage, and of course your connections are going to be right in here. Actually, you have a nice big storage area here. Your leveling system is going to be right inside this door.
Tankless water heater.
Right there. Right below it, you do have some of your dump pools, and your dump is going to be right over there. This is going to have a sewer caddy already in place for you. Coming on down, like I said, now this one's almost 40 feet, so you've got a lot of living space in this one. Now the Sabres do not have the upgraded suspension on it, so just might want to keep that in mind.
Well, we got a rack and pinion here. I'm not real sure what the bedroom slide is. It is not cable.
It is not cable.
And
it's not Schwintek. We'll have to do some research.
Yep.
All right, back here on the back. Not really sure why they don't give you a ladder, but you don't have a ladder on this one. But you do have a trailer hitch here that's going to be for an accessory rack or a bicycle rack only. But guys, this patio.
It is amazing.
It is amazing. And if you don't want the patio down, when you put it up, you are going to have all of this across the front is going to be just a giant window.
Yeah, we don't have the key to
We don't have
operate
the key.
this.
We're here actually after hours, so there's no one else here today but us. It's nice and quiet. This is going to be the other side of your storage, and you do have a mini fridge in here. You've got connections here for a TV and a light switch. That's going to turn on your lights in here. And then your other propane tank. Again, I really think a 30-pound will fit in there.
It will.
Ah, yes. It's on this side. So, yeah. All right, guys, if you think this outside looks amazing.
This one is 16. I think the one over your patio, your sun deck, is going to be about 11 and a half on the awning.
That sounds good to me.
Yeah. I had to quickly measure that.
All right, well, we can't wait to show you this
Well, let's
one.
get in here.
All right, guys,
Wow.
let's just take this one in. It is just something to see for sure. I'm not even sure where to start. It's a rear living, so
let's go back there.
Let's go back there. All right.
Wow.
Now I will let him pull this, well, or not. I was going to
Okay,
say,
I will.
yeah,
I
pull
will.
this open. So you have a Now you have like these vertical blinds here. And of course this is, you do have sliding glass door. And you also have this screen door to go out on your patio. This is just super, super
And
nice.
you do have a door that will come out here.
Yes, a little screen. And again, when this is closed, all of this glass here just becomes a great big window right up here.
You know, Rosie would love this.
Oh, forget Rosie. Amanda would love that. All right, right at the back, this massive TV is a 70-inch TV. I'm wearing one of our new shirts today, so I'm gonna reflect and everything. I'm sorry. You've got some storage across the top. You have an AC unit up here. There is a ceiling fan. We had somebody ask about ceiling fans before.
Yeah, how do you turn it on?
So
I just pulled
we just pulled the chain.
Pulled the chain.
Pull the chain and it comes on. All right, down below your entertainment center, you've got storage and you've got a huge electric fireplace. That is just massive. Now your heating is going to be in the floor in this unit.
Wow.
Now, to enjoy your ginormous 70-inch TV, you have got this wonderful sectional sofa here. And
does this one pull out? Yeah.
yeah, it does. And then in this side, I think both of those are going to recline. And then you've got this ottoman, and it velcros. Let me. Ta-da.
Aha. Now.
Yeah, you can take the cushion off. You've got that. Now, if you look down in, you actually have a smaller cushion. So you can actually take this, move it over to your dining room table, and use it as additional seating if you would prefer that. Wonderful. Or you can use it for storage, and it's really easy to raise and lower. Let me just give you a quick shot down the top here so you can see this lighting package through here. Great accent lightings down both sides. But while we are moving into the kitchen area, this is going to have a freestanding table and chairs. So you've got the 4 chairs in here. Again, you can move the ottoman in here, and you can put the cushion up on the back of the wall and use it. There is storage under the seats.
Always want to point that out.
We haven't been pointing that out. But you've got these great windows all the way around, and this is, we call these the zebra shades. I don't think that's the actual name of them, but so yes, you can adjust those to let in as much light or as little as you like. Coming around into the kitchen, and this kitchen is wonderful. Right here on the front of the island, well, actually this is peninsula. You've got some storage right there. You do have 2 plug-ins, and this is solid surface. You have this extension here at the end, and down here at the bottom, before he gets too involved in the kitchen, you have pet bowls.
Okay.
Right in there. So they'll go push up out of the way, so you won't trip over them like we do ours, because our dog is ginormous and takes up a lot of room. This is what we like to call the swanky sink. So you've got your glass washer, your waterfall down here, cutting board, drains, soap dispensers, all kinds of stuff in here. Excuse me. Now coming on around, of course, when your slide comes in, it'll come up over that, but you've got these 3 drawers down here. Not really sure why they didn't give you door handles on these.
Well, I don't know either.
But you open them from the bottom. Then you've got good storage underneath your sink. Whoop, sorry, I didn't mean to jiggle the camera there. But right here is your built-in garbage can. Now on the other side, while he's doing that, I'll show you up here. You've got some storage on both sides of your microwave. Wine storage if you're into that, And around your stove is actually going to be solid surface over there too. So you've got this bigger 3-burner cooktop with an oven. There is a matching drawer down below it and some storage right next to that. You do have plug-ins, one on each side of your stove, so you've got plenty of places to plug in your coffee pot or whatever you like to take with you. Now the pantry. I really like this pantry. They give you these shelves all the way down, and then you've got this tall section, so your mops, brooms, stick vacs, things like that will go in there. And then there's this huge opening at the top. Goodness. And this is going to have a French door fridge with the 2 freezers.
Yep. All right.
All right. Now to finish out the kitchen, you do have this coffee bar here, and you'll see that it also has solid surface, which is really, really nice. Big storage up above it. An open cubby right here. You do have a plug-in and USB, so if you want to use this as a phone charging station, it would work really well. Couple of drawers, and then some open storage right there. Well, storage behind a door, sorry.
You know, Miss Karen, when she looks and sees a really great kitchen like this, she gave a funny to us the other day, the golden spatula.
Golden whisk.
Golden whisk, that's what it was.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we have too much stuff to keep up with, so we're not going to keep up with a whisk. Thank you, Karen.
It's not funny.
Anyway, coming up the stairs here, your switches are all going to be right here. Very easy to get to. Your fuses are going to be down here. Another great location because they're easy to get to. Now, coming into the bathroom.
Yeah, yeah.
Now, Jeremy's 6 feet tall. You've got a big skylight up there. So, plenty of room. And this is a
30 by 48.
30 by 48. Very good size. Yeah. Big exhaust fan in here. You are going to have pull out storage in here.
That's nice.
That is super nice. It's going to be right above your foot flush toilet, which
porcelain.
Has good space in front of it. There is some storage underneath the sink there. And you've got a mirrored medicine cabinet too. And nice big sink, good counter space, and you have a spot down here for a wastebasket if you need it.
And a big fan.
Yes.
They put the big vent fans in here.
Big old fan.
Yeah.
So, yes, this would get the golden plunger. Our plunger is being replated.
Yeah.
So look for it in some other videos.
Yeah, we had to help it out a little bit.
All right, let's move into the main bedroom. This is going to have a king-size bed.
Wow.
In your slide. I do like that it has the smaller windows, and then
that is so cool the way they do that now.
There's some hidden storage. Yes.
I love this.
So if you just need somewhere to stash some stuff, you can put it right behind your headboard. Take the sticker off so nobody would know that it's there.
Well, yeah.
But yeah, and there is a plug-in. I don't think we. One more time. Yeah, plug-in and USB right up here at the top.
And C.
And C.
B and C.
Well, there's also one right over there.
Yeah. And there's another plug-in over here.
Oh, there is another plug-in.
My goodness, they got them everywhere.
And you do have an AC in the bedroom. Down here at the foot of the bed,
Okay.
you have got a 4-drawer dresser. I can't say that very fast, so yes. Now, if you want to add a TV in here, it'll go right up above your window. There's where your plug-ins and connections are.
Put the pleated.
And pleated shades back here.
Yeah.
Now, this closet across the front. Wow. It is prepped for washer and dryer.
Yes.
I'm pretty sure it's going to be, yes, washer on this side, and then your dryer is going to go down here on that side. Or you could do a combo unit. I love they give you this big shoe shelf in here.
Shoe shelf.
And there is a big shelf across the top.
Big shelf.
With a hanging bar. Would you stop that? And before we forget,
Wow.
nice storage
And they
underneath.
actually line them.
Yes, I love that they could line theirs. Now guys, I'm just going to have to tell you, when we first started doing this and first started looking at Sabres, I wasn't necessarily that impressed, but these guys have really stepped up their game on these, and they are something that you really need to come look at and just feel these finishes.
All right, everybody, if you like this Sabre with this sun deck, our dealership's information be down in the description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe and follow along with us. Thanks, everybody.
J&A Review is excited to partner with Proven Industries to showcase their trailer coupler locks. Proven Industry makes locks to fit travel trailers, fifth wheels, utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. These products are manufactured out of high-strength impervious materials. They come with a lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, one key for all locks, and best of all, they are made in the USA. Check out all of their products at www.provenlocks.com or find them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.